welcome to this new video. So today we have one of the best guests who trade fractal geometry, Mr. Ali from United States. Hello, Mr. Ali, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Good.
I'm doing great. So today you have executed the trade on gold, right?
Yes.
So can you please explain how you have executed this trade, how you have managed the take profits, everything?
So I was here. Let me check here. So after the trade was here, so as I saw, like the chart is going like this. So I thought there's a Y model. It should be like I found some Y model here.
Excellent.
Yeah. So I guess that should be this one here.
Okay.
Here, I took this one here. I saw this one here. And there's a trend line.
Excellent. This is a good confirmation. I don't know if you have chosen the entry. I think you choose this entry right here, right?
Yeah, the second entry.
Okay, and is there a reason why you choose this entry? Because usually we took the trade from here, right? But why you
Yes.
choose the entry from here?
Actually, because the retracement wasn't perfect.
Okay.
So I take this one here.
Excellent.
Okay, I put it back here.
Very good.
Okay. So I found that the retracement here.
Yeah, there was like
it goes
20 pips difference right here.
Yeah, I didn't took it, and I waited for the second one. Should be like this.
Yeah.
And I took it from here.
Okay, this is excellent, but there is another reason why personally I would prefer. I didn't took the trade from here the long. I took it from here, and I will explain later. We'll cover this part. But why personally, if I was on this trade and on this chart, why I will prefer to take it from here? Because if you will execute the trade on this level, okay, even if you get 10 pips, 20 pips drawdown, where you will put your stop loss, the level that will invalid your analysis, it must be right here. This is the stop loss, right? And this is right here, the take a profit. So you can see right here, the risk to reward ratio, maybe it's 1.52, but if you choose to put your entry or to enter the trade right here, your stop loss will be at this top. Okay.
Yeah.
And already I can see that you have done this, and your take a profit will be right here. So you will increase your risk to reward ratio, and you can get it to 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 risk to reward.
So this is the exactly what you told me about in the mentorship. That's why I took in the second one. I want to minimize the stop loss.
Excellent. Okay. So then how you choose the take profit 1 and the take profit 2?
So actually take profit, the first one should be breaking this one here.
Excellent.
And I take some partial, as you told us, and I took the second one here.
Very good.
It was here. This is the second one.
Before the retracement, excellent.
Okay. Yeah, before the retracement.
This was at the NFP news, right? This trade.
Actually, I took it yesterday, and I go to sleep. I went to sleep.
This is 5 minutes. Okay, this is the 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please close the replay mode? I will explain how I have executed the other trade. So yeah. So if you can go to the 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes. Okay, so yeah, your trade was right here. Okay, excellent. So the trade that we have executed today was from here, or yesterday night, I think, before the market closed. Why exactly? If you zoom out more on the chart. Zoom out the opposite way.
Oh, zoom out. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe, okay, you need to, okay, maybe go to the 45 minutes so we can see. Okay, lately we have published the video on the public channel. We have talked about this Y model right here, where the price was moving right here. And we said that there is a high probability that we'll go and break this low since it's a Y model.
Okay.
And you can see right here, this higher high right here, it's the same higher high right here, okay? And this movement right here is the same as this one right here. Then we have a strong push to the upside, strong push to the upside, okay? And the
Okay.
price started going down. So what we focused on today, you see right here, we have the breakout, small breakout of this low.
Yeah.
So we waited for the breakout the same way right here at this level. And then we see that the price goes in this way. So that's why we have executed this position. Okay.
Okay.
So this was another possibility to take a trade on gold for the long position.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So if you open Solana USDT,
Okay. And I took some before that I
yes,
took another trade, the smaller
which
one.
one? Which
Can
one?
I share that one?
Mhm. Which one
Actually,
exactly?
it was, I think it's in 1 minute. It was here. Let me check this one here first.
Trading futures. Okay.
Yeah, mostly I trade the futures. And this one, another one.
Okay. Y model. Okay. With a higher high.
Yeah. So it was here. I copy this one here. Yeah, and it give me this one here. I took it to
Excellent.
break it. So,
Excellent. Very good.
yeah. And there's another one here. I forget where was it.
I think it was yesterday. I see your screenshot. It was yesterday. It was on the 1 minute time
Yeah.
frame. Yeah.
No, here. I found
Okay.
it. So it's about this one and this one here.
Excellent. Yes. Very good
So
one.
actually I took this one here and I put it like this. I took it from here to break
Excellent.
this one.
And right here, you have a good confirmation with the breakout and retest.
Yeah.
It's a good one. Okay. Can you please check Solana USDT?
Is it SOL?
Yes, on crypto.
On crypto. Yes.
And add the USDT. So yeah, for example,
Okay.
this one right here.
Ah, yes, it's from here.
Yeah. On the 1 hour time frame, we have a good trade that we have discussed it recently. I don't know if you have seen it or no. If you can please, okay, right here on this chart, okay? So we have executed a short position recently on Solana from here, and we are still targeting these levels right here. Try to see what you have exactly right here. Where is the fractal? There is a tool on TradingView that you can use on the right upside. There is 3 points, okay? You can use them to minimize the zoom, okay? Because you have an issue with the zoom on the screen. I will take the share quickly. I will show it to you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, 2 hours. So right here, from this low, we start the analysis, okay? So what we can find exactly right here.
You start from here.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah. We start finding Y model like this.
Yeah, Y model, it exists, but it will help us to take the long from here.
Yeah.
But what we are
And
focusing on is the short right here.
so I think about TCW here.
Excellent. Yes, we have a TCW model right here for the long. It confirms also this Y model right here.
Yes.
But when I want to focus on the short now, since I have a Y model, so what it will become later?
So I think about this one here. Is there any
Exactly.
like
Yeah, exactly. This is a Y model right here for the short from here. And also there is another idea right here. Okay,
okay.
very nice. You scale it. Excellent. So this one is also confirmation with a higher high to go and break this top. And also there is another good confirmation if you can pay attention, since we have a trend in this way. So what is this one right here?
So
Maybe if you can
another
see it.
TCW.
Yeah, exactly. But if you can see it, for example, if you are not used to see it on an uptrend, you can invert the scale easily and you can see it on a downtrend. So yeah, in this way.
Oh, yeah,
Now
it's
it's
same
clear,
thing.
okay?
Like
Yeah.
yeah.
So try please to take a copy of this one.
It's like this.
Yeah, just take it to the low right here. We don't need the uptrend. We need just to check the self-similarity if it's okay.
Okay. So I'll take this one here. I will take extra.
Yes, exactly. Put it outside of the chart because maybe some people will not recognize easily the similarity. So right here, what we have, strong push to the upside, the retracement, strong push to the upside, and then retracement. Right here, we have a lower high, okay? Lower low, sorry, at this one exactly. So
It's
on the
same like
chart, exactly, on the chart, it was the same way right here. And then we have the TCW model, okay? TCW model on the middle of another TCW model right here.
yeah, about this one here.
Excellent. Yeah, excellent. This one. And then we have the rest of the trend in this way, the rest of the trend in this way. And then we have decided to execute, of course, the chart is inverted now. We have decided to execute a short position to target this low right here. Try to invert the scale. Maybe some people can get it. So yeah, we target this low right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. So let's check also NQ or NASDAQ. So this is our fractal, okay? I will scale it and I fit this part's right here. The low with the low, the low with the low. And what I get this level right here. From this level, what I can anticipate right here, that the price will go back to this low right here, okay? So this was one of the trades right here, because this is a TCW model. And we have seen before that if we don't have all the conditions of the TCW model, we can still confirm with the Y model. Like the case, if you remember on Apple right here, this execution right here, we don't have all the conditions for this TCW model, so we have confirmed with this Y model right here to execute this trade. So it's the same thing. So this is a little bit of the trades and a quick review for the trades of this week, the main ones. There was a lot of trades on gold on the lower time frames, on the 1 minute, on the seconds time frame. So
yeah, as in the euro. In the euro, we took the one
5
of
second
the
trade.
seconds,
Yeah.
5 seconds.
And there was another one also on the 1 minute, that long position using the confirmation from the indicator level.
Yeah.